Introduction, Materials, and Procedure. Students will set up a white light shining upon a diffraction grating. They'll observe the interference pattern caused by the light passing through the grating and record the maxima for each color, each different color we see of the light. They'll use these data to find the wavelength of the different colors of light. Materials for this lab: a light source, meter sticks for measuring, diffraction grating, and then various stands and clamps. Using stands and clamps, set up the diffraction grating. It's over here. It's just a little glass slide in here held by this bigger clamp, the stable holder. Set it up in line with the light source. Light source is over here, so light's going to go that way. Set up a meter stick in line with the light source as well. Here's your meter stick. That should be clamped with 50 centimeter mark located above the light source. Each group of 4 to 5 students should have their own setup, and you'll be over here, or the students will be, looking through the diffraction grating. Before you do the lab with the students, set it up. Look through the diffraction grating and you should see the spectrum, or rainbow, slightly above or below the meter stick. Look through the diffraction grating at a steeper angle and you should see a second spectrum. It should be out somewhere over there. If the entire second spectrum is not visible along the meter stick, move the diffraction grating closer to the light source or adjust the meter stick so that it is not centered and extends to the other end of the second spectrum. If the spectrum is vertical, not horizontal, then rotate the diffraction grating 90 degrees. After you set up the equipment, it will get bumped between labs and students will have to fine-tune their individual setups. Make sure the diffraction gratings are oriented properly for each group. The diffraction grating should have a published number of lines per centimeter associated with them. You need to know this number. If you do not have it, you'll have to call the manufacturer. We will need that to calculate D, which is the distance between the slits.